Hi there, this is just a quick marking guide for parents, for students that do their homework. Okay, few key points that we want to make sure that all children do, all students do. First things first is we want them to write their name at the top. The date will generally be written in by myself before they get the homework. One of the key things that I really do need to look at is the time they started and the time they finished. Okay, so I've just done this. I started at 7:30. It's taken me 3 minutes, so I'm going to put the end time here of 7:33. Okay, now that's fine, that's not a problem at all, but for my young assistants that are marking their work, what would be quite nice is just if you could just write at the top or underneath there exactly how many minutes it was. So if we do 7:30 to 7:33, it's 3 minutes, so all I ask you to do is just put a 3M and a circle. Okay, that tells me it's taken 3 minutes to do the work there. Okay, now we come to marking. Marking is quite simple. Each of you should have a marking book just to make it easy for yourselves. Now if we have a look at this here, this work here, this is level 3A, so that tells me what level it is, and then we have a number at the side of it. Let me just focus in a little bit more. That's probably better. So as you can see there, sorry, there's the 3 minutes to tell me how long it's taken. And then we look here, that's level 3A. We then have the number next to it, which is the page, so it's 191, so this is 191. And then we have a letter A. This tells me it's at side A. And if we look at the other, the reverse side of it, we have level 3A, page 191, side B. Okay, so we have the answer book here. Now this answer book here covers levels 3A, 2A and A of the maths program. Okay, so we open up to find level 3A. Now each page has the level, and then on this page here it has pages 101 to 110. Okay, so as you can see here, 101 to 110. We're looking for page 191. Okay, so we open up the book, level 3A, we need 191. So at the moment we're up to 3A 71 and 3A to 3A8 180. Okay, and now we've got the page, the correct page here, which is page 3A 91 to 200, and there's 191. Now if you can see here, that's page 191, the marking grid for it. Now it's split into 4 boxes. The top 2 boxes, which is split by a dash line, that's for page A, side A, sorry, and below it it's for side B. Okay. So marking's quite easy. What we generally do is with a coloured pen, maybe a red or even a pencil will be fine, we just go down. So if we have a look here, so 3A91 side A, 2, 4, 3. Now the answer book says 6. This child here has done, well it's me actually, 5 plus 1 I've put down as 7. Okay, I know it's 6, but this just for the example sake here. So that is this question here has been answered wrong. Now what we do to show that we've got an answer that's wrong, we just put a circle around the question number. Okay, and then we carry on. So then we've got 7, 10, 12, answer book says 11, so we've got another one that's wrong there, so we put a circle around that question. Then we go to the next one, 9. Okay, so that's side A completed. Now we look at side B. So we got 3, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8, 10, the bottom one. Book says it's 12, answer here is 11, so we've got that one as well. We go to the next page, 3, 6, 5, another one, 5 plus 2 has been put, the answers down as 8, which it should be 7, so we put a circle around that one as well. Then we keep going down, so 10, 8, 11, 12. Okay, Now 4, 7, 5, 8, 10, 9, 12, 13. Right, let's have a look at this one now. Now all the questions have been answered correctly. So when we know on a page all the answers have been answered correctly, we put a big circle around all the questions. Okay, this will show the student that on that page there are no corrections. Okay, then we'll just do the next page. So we've got 4, 6, 8, 7. We've got another one here. 9 plus 2. Put down the answer as 12. It should be 11. So we put a circle around the question number. Then 13, 10, 12. Let me just do the reverse side. Now we've got 5, 7, 9, 6, 10, 13, 11, 14. Brilliant. This page has been done correctly. Okay. I'll leave the other two pages. So once you've done, because you just do the same procedure for all the other pages, then, so we'll just say that they're all correct. Okay, so we've given all, that those pages have been all done correctly. Okay, so put big circles around them all. Then, we turn it over again to the beginning, and we count how many small circles there are, which indicates how many wrong answers. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing on these pages, nothing on these pages, nothing on this page, so we've got 5 that we know are incorrect. So all I then ask you to do is go to the front and put a -5 in a circle. Okay, so if I just bring that a little bit closer, you can see that -5 just there. Okay, it just means it's easier for my assistants to, when they input all the data, to find how long it's taken and what marks them. Then you just give it back to the student. Okay, and the student then knows that there's 5 mistakes. So they're looking for 5 small circles. Okay, so let me just quickly go through this and do them correct. So we've got 5 plus 1. Now I know it's 6, so we put a line through the answer, put 6. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11, so put 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and then I know I've only got one more because this is the 5th one. So 9 plus 2 is 11. Okay, then they give it you back, and then all you do is you quickly look through the marking guide. 191, question 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer 6. Now, when an answer is correct, we put a line through the small circle. Same here. 10 plus 11 is 10 plus 1 is 11, so we put another circle there. Now, to say that all the corrections have been done, and I can see that the corrections have been done, we then put a big circle round. Okay, and then we do the same for all of them. So 11 plus 1 is 12, correct. Another big circle. 5 plus 2 is 7. A line through the small circle, and then a big circle. Okay, and I think we just got one more here. 9 plus 2 is 11. That's correct. Put a line through the small circle, then put a big circle. Now, once it's all been done, all I then want is N 100%. So this shows me how long it's taken, how many corrections there are, and that they've been corrected. Okay, 3 very, very important things for me. And I do ask you to do this because it is very important that these 3 items are done. The reason why? This way I can see how your child is progressing, and I can progress them. If I don't see these figures here, I can't tell whether your child's doing okay, they're struggling, or if there's any problems. And this could mean that your child has to repeat a certain topic or a certain set again, which is not very good for them, and it's not very good for you or for me, because I really do like to push on the children and get them to really enjoy maths, but get them to do it as well. Okay, any questions after seeing this, don't hesitate to contact me, or just give me a bell, okay, on 07861 754 899. Okay, so hopefully this has been of some use to you, and if there's anything else that you want me to put on a tutorial online, don't hesitate to give me a shout and I can sort something out. Alright, thank you very much for your help. Thank you, bye.